Today, we're going to talk about the valuable lessons we can learn from the classic cartoon, Tom and Jerry. This iconic duo has more to offer than just hilarious chases and pranks. Even the big and powerful can fall apart if you have wits and the right attitude. Tom may be bigger and stronger than Jerry, but that doesn't always guarantee his victory. Jerry's quick thinking and clever tactics often give him the upper hand. So, never underestimate the power of a smart and positive attitude. Respect boundaries, otherwise, you may suffer the consequences. Tom is always trying to catch Jerry, but he often crosses the line and invades Jerry's personal space. This leads to Jerry retaliating and Tom suffering the consequences. So, learn to respect people's boundaries and personal space, or you might end up regretting it. It is okay to fail, only if you learn from it. Don't keep on repeating the same mistakes in the hope that it may work out the next time. Tom and Jerry's constant battle teaches us that even if you fail, you should learn from your mistakes and keep trying. Don't be afraid to fail because it's a part of the learning process. Life constantly throws us challenges in all different shapes, sizes, and forms. We must take heed from Tom and Jerry and cannot be content with defeat. The game is on. Life can be tough, but we need to embrace the challenges and keep pushing forward. Like Tom and Jerry, we need to adopt a never-give-up attitude and keep the game on. So there you have it, folks. 4 valuable life lessons we can learn from Tom and Jerry. Remember, you're never too old to learn from cartoons.